instead of doing other things for the school, they should really invest in having Chromebooks for students and iPads even available to the students who don't have at home.
Until January 11th, schools like this one will sit empty in Quebec, part of a new series of COVID-19 restrictions to help ease some of the strain on the province's hospital system. But learning from home isn't without its challenges.
It's actually a lot harder to focus because you're in your own space and there's a lot of things that are distracting you. I have a computer, I have an iPad, I have a phone, and I think a lot of people don't have that type of stuff that I have.
As of Thursday, Quebec students will be learning virtually for several weeks. Offices are asked to keep workers at home as much as possible, and non-essential businesses prepare to close down by December 25th. This as the province records more than 1,800 new cases of COVID-19 and over 1,000 hospitalized with the virus.
I think that if we really want to break this second wave, we have to go towards these public health measures.
Virtual learning means many parents are struggling to make it work.
We've heard this week that there's not enough equipment or computers. Some people have internet access issues.
And some families are refusing to put their children online for personal reasons and or reasons related to their jobs at home or their ability to schedule their child online.
While high schoolers might be better equipped to handle virtual learning, many are falling behind.
There is a possibility that the distance learning is going to be extended. And if that happens, I think the ministry needs to look very seriously at either canceling the ministry exams or drastically reducing the content.
According to the Education Ministry's latest update, about 40% of Quebec schools are dealing with at least one active case of COVID-19. While many educators agree that keeping kids at home is for the best, some say Quebec's plan was lacking.
It really seems like during the summer that should have been the time that the ministry and the school boards were making serious plans about how to address this pandemic. It seems like everybody went on vacation and that we were then left to, as I said, adapt to last minute decision after last minute decision.
Earlier decisions. That way we could have planned sooner. Really to have to put teachers through that when we're already dealing with intense sanitizing in our classrooms, planning things differently in our schools.
I know it's hard. I know it's a sacrifice for everyone. And I know this has been really a long, tough period, but the sacrifices that you make, they really help us out.
In Montreal, Sharon Yonan-Renold, City News.